In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your spark plugs in a 2004 Toyota Corolla. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this plastic cover. You're going to see cylinders 1 through 4 right up here, super easy. The 10mm socket, ignition coil, harness, really easy to take out. This is all you need to take out. You don't need to take off anything else, just these little guys to get the spark plugs out. We're going to remove all the wiring harnesses one by one. Then we have to take off, there's this plastic casing that holds and sets all the wiring harnesses that is preventing the ignition coils from coming out. We have to take that out. Those are also just two 10mm bolts, not a big deal. But first, let's remove these wiring harnesses from the ignition coils and then take this plastic bracket out. The next thing we do is remove the bolts of the ignition coils one by one and take them out. Just like that. I'm gonna do one at a time so I don't get anything mixed up. Hand tighten them first and then use the socket to get them snug. I'm only like 10 minutes into this and I already have 2 done. All 4 done. Now we put it back together. Before I put the cover on, I'm going to start it up to see if we're all good. All is good, just left to put the cover on. There we go, all is good. It's that easy. You can do this. If I can do this, you can do this. Don't pay someone to change something that easy. You can change your own spark plugs in your early 2000s Toyota Corolla. Subscribe for more how-tos just like this. Look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments.